Good morning, myself Ajay Murmu. I am from Jharkhand, and today I have come to spray the paddy for crop. And you can see this side is to bull. You can consider that this is the old technique to plow the field, and already I have plowed the field half, and so this is my new blog, and I'm trying to speak in English because I don't know English too much, although I am trying to improve my English, and now I'm taking rest because I have been plowing since morning. So my uncle, and now he's plowing. Now you can see how he's flying. When there was advanced technology, you can consider that tractor or any kinds of machine was not developed. That time, by using the animals, the people was plowing the field, and now also we are plowing. We'll see our pond where the pond is nearest field, and you can look that side. This is the tree. What tree I don't know in English. In Santhali we call Gonedare. And finally I have come to our pond. This is our pond. You can, and here you can see the water is totally full, and this side you can look. And in this pond we used to fishing. Let us I show you when first we was spread the paddy, and now it has grown some little, but it was but the paddy was drawn in water. So I will show you. Okay, let's we go to the nearest to the field, and finally I have come to the where we was spread the paddy, and it was drawn in water. So it has not grown. You can see now also here is little much water, and this you can see the paddy is growing little bits. So some paddy is destroyed. So we had today we are flying, and there we will spray the paddy. And now my father has bring for me rice, and you can see here in the tiffin, and potato, tomato, and pointed gourd. So like this, now I will eat rice. And now you can see my uncle there. Now also he is flying, and my father is uprooting the plant. You can see. And so now I am making the drain to run the water. And now almost we have completed, and that side is my father, and you can see he is also making drain. And guys, now I'm going to home to bring aspirated paddy to spread in the field where I was making the room, or you can consider. So now I have load the aspirated paddy. Now you can look in the bike, and this is what called in English I don't know. In Santhali we call tunki. And now I am ready to take the paddy. This is the aspirated paddy, and this paddy I will spray. And this is tunki. In this tunki I will fill up, and after fill up I will spray the paddy. Like this, I spread the paddy, and now you can see. And now my father is spreading the paddy. You can see. And now I have come to the football playground side, and you can see are playing. In this video, if I have make any mistake by talking, so for that I'm sorry, because I'm learning the English language. And thank you. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel to support me. And thank you for today. We'll meet again next day.